How do I handle rejection? Make it a game. Make it a game where if I know I'm making these cold calls or warm calls or whatever kind of call I want, and I know that I have 3 other people around me making the same, and whoever gets the most outlandish rejection, wins. And know that it's not anything personal, but everyone's getting tons of calls and not everyone can meet with everybody. I try first thing in the morning to do all of my follow-ups and menial task things. That's when I feel like the most fresh and maybe not quite demo ready. I might be locked in laser mode, but not quite, hey, I need to do a dog and pony show, for a demo. How do I do my job better? First off, being an SDR is incredibly hard. So to make your life easier and just something for your own personal sake, every call you make, you should be confident that you have the right solution for that person. Know that if I'm gonna call you, I already know who you are, I know about your team, and I know why my product or service would be a good fit. No matter what we're selling, really, I think a personalized video is the best new approach in order to personalize something, get someone's attention, and it's unique, right? It's the most digestible format. Put it this way, I never get a compliment or kudos given to me for, hey, nice voicemail you left me, or thanks for sending me that generic email template. But when I send these videos, I get lots of, I like that approach, I appreciate the personalization, and at the end of the day, if that's not a subtle way of knowing you're doing something right. If I had to offer anybody a sales tip, it would be less about pitch and more about your homework, and who you're going after is more important than anything that you could possibly sell. You're much better off taking 5 hours to combine a list of 10 people that you have a very good chance of a successful conversation with than spending 5 hours calling 500 people hoping that you'll get those same 5.